Now, professional creators have to make a portfolio, a demo reel that we call it, showing the work that they're capable of doing. So that's what you're going to do today. Go to the assignment on Canvas, click on Portfolio, and click on the first link, and you're going to make a copy of the Google presentation that I have here so that you can have your own copy. It's already filled in with some of the details that you need to do. These details right here are listed on the first page. This is what you need to do, and they're laid out for you. So let's start with inserting our information. So the first one is your GTV radio poster. Now you go to the place you'll need to download it, and off of Canva, so you'll have to go back and do that, but then download it, put it on your computer, and then you'll find it in your folders on your computer, and you just drag it into the Google Slides presentation. Same thing with the thank you poster. Go to the place where you've saved it on your computer, and it's as easy as clicking and dragging, and then try to make it look nice, organize it a little bit. Next, I'm going to work on my production process. This is a little bit different. You may need to download this video off of Canva and then upload it to Google Drive. Once you do that, you click on Insert, click on Video, and then click on Google Drive. And you can type in the name and search for it, or if it's at the top, since it's new, you can put it there. You put the link in there, and the video shows up, and organize it, put it in the place where you want it. Same thing with the library. Insert, video, should already be on Google Drive. So here you might have to type in the name, and you can see right there the video pops up. Click on it and press select or enter. Okay, and just organize it, put it where you need it. Last one is the blood drive. So you'll need to finish that and make sure you've uploaded it to Google Drive after exporting it. Search for it, select it, and there you go. There's your last thing. You have now easily put in 5 pieces that you've made this year to show what you need to do. One of the other things in a portfolio is showing the skills. So you're pretty good at Canva. You know how to work your way around Google Drive, hopefully. And then also you're beginning to know Premiere Pro, so you can write that down. If there's any other software, like if you know Photoshop or anything else that you have used to be able to create anything, then go ahead and put that on there. And then you're ready to go, except for now we have to know who you are. If you were to make a real portfolio, you would put your name and your personal information, but I'm not going to have you do that at school. If you would like to eventually share this with somebody that you want to show what you're able to make, you can share that with them on your own and make that decision on your own. But just be responsible. Put your information in there, your email, and your name, and pick a job maybe that you think seems interesting in creating. It could be anything. Double check your work. Next, you're going to change the theme, get creative with this, make this look nice. You want to catch people's attention. So you want to, what I did is selected all the slides, and I'm going to click on slide and choose a theme. And I like this one, the blue one. It's just one of my favorite colors, so I use that, and I like the layout. And then next, you're going to go back, start your assignment, and submit your Google Drive. I can't do it here on my account the way that it's logged in. That's it. Once you turn it in, you're good. Just make sure you're done with all the rest of your work and let me know.